Come test drive the 2017 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, front knee, power brakes, clock, child safety locks, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.